Hey,
Ready to watch the Broncos game?
Yes, sir, bro. I've been waiting to watch Bo Nix all day. Let's go.
I got the pizza
Got
ready.
some pizza?
Yeah.
Let's go, man. I'm so hungry. I'm ready to eat. Oh,
Oh,
whoa. Oh. Oh my God! Did I just kill him? Did I just kill him?
Why did he run away?
Oh my God! What do I do? Wait. I have Band-Aids right here. Hey, you okay? You okay?
No.
What about this Band-Aid? Will this help?
Yeah, thank you.
Yes! Yes! Oh my God, what do I do?
Help me. No. He stole my pizza.
Two of those were myths. One of those is true. Guess in the comments which one's a myth and which one's happened.